Ni'n gwybod nawr bod ar ôl dysgu un iaith, mae fe'n haws i dysgu ieithoedd eraill. A ni'n falch bod ni wedi dysgu Cymraeg yn gyntaf.
Wel, mae'r ddwy o ni wedi wneud tygau Cymraeg iaith cyntaf. Ni wedi wneud iaith a llenyddiaeth. A ni'n dysgu mewn pwnciau arall mewn Cymraeg, fel maths fi'n wneud yn Cymraeg a bach o gwyddoniaeth weithiau. A fi wastad yn siarad i'r athrawon yn Gymraeg hefyd. Mae wedi alluogi ni i fel dysgu ieithoedd arall. Mae ddwy o ni wedi wneud Ffrangeg i tygau a fi eisiau wneud i lefel A hefyd. Fi'n mwynhau dysgu ieithoedd nawr. Ar ôl dysgu'r un cyntaf, fi'n credu mae'n hawsach wedyn i ddysgu mwy.
Fi'n hoffi bod fi gallu gwybod beth mae ffrindiau a athrawon yn gweud. A fi'n gallu dysgu tipyn o Cymraeg i mam a dad.
Ni'n neud yn hollol glir o'r cychwyn cyntaf, mae taw ysgol Gymraeg i ni, a ni'n rhannu'n polisi iaith ni gyda'n rhieni. Ond ni'n neud mewn ffordd gyfeillgar, ni eisiau pawb i ddod gyda ni. Felly, os oes yna deuluoedd sy'n dod o gefndiroedd di-Gymraeg, ddim yn gyfarwydd ar iaith, i ni'n sôn amdano y cynllun trochi sydd gyda ni yn y ganolfan iaith, a maen nhw'n rhagorol. Mae'r gefnogaeth yn wych. Maen nhw'n cael cyfle i siarad â'r plant na bob dydd trwy'r dydd yn cyfoethogi iaith nhw. A ni'n gweld y plant sydd yn dod nôl o'r ganolfan iaith a hyder arbennig gyda nhw. A maen nhw'n barod i fwrw ati i byw eu bywyd yn llawn trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg nôl yn y dosbarth.
Ie, mae wedi bod yn gyffrous iawn yn gweld nhw gyda braidd dim o Gymraeg ar y dechrau a gweld sut maen nhw wedi elwa nawr ar ddiwedd y flwyddyn. Mae cwpl o ddisgyblion nawr wedi mynd i nôl i'r dosbarthiaeth gyntaf, so mae'n dangos bod y system drochi yma wir yn gweithio a mae fe'n dod â dipyn o gyffro i ni gweld nhw'n llwyddo, cyffro'n y dosbarth, pan maen nhw'n chwarae gemau, maen nhw'n deall yr iaith, yr hyder maen nhw'n cael. Credu na beth sy'n dod â'r cyffro i fi, gweld nhw'n elwa.
It's been really exciting. We have all really enjoyed watching Thea grow in confidence and just have been outstanded with the amount she has learned in such a short space of time.
So, rydw i wedi dod o India i fan hyn yn blwyddyn 2022. Fy nes i mynd i canolfan iaith yn Felen Fach. Rydw i'n meddwl beth sy'n digwydd i fi, achos rydw i ddim wedi dysgu Cymraeg ers blynyddoedd, a nawr rydw i'n siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl. Rydw i'n teimlo'n falch.
Well, it was just a very gentle introduction into a different environment, and it did make them feel special, you know, because it wasn't, obviously they were apprehensive about changing schools, just that on its own, but because they were like, no, look, we're other children who are going through the same thing, and there's like total attention on them while they're doing that, a huge amount of resource given them, meant that when the Canolfan had finished, they were then entering school and were like, oh wow, look, yeah, it was for real. Everyone does speak this and we can actually communicate properly.
I think it also gave them building blocks that they wouldn't have got if they'd gone straight into school.
No.
Like it taught them the alphabet phonetically. That was a big thing.
Yes.
So they could understand how to pronounce words. So that was really useful, yeah.
It's nice when your children light up about something and to see their confidence grow and they realise, my goodness, I've learnt a whole new language.
I think it's crucial because it gives them a starting place. So they get the basics, they understand how the language is put together, how to pronounce words that they can see in front of them, and it gives them a minimum amount of language to go into the classroom with so that they can understand the basics of what's going on, It's a hugely encouraging and supportive environment.
Yeah, And it does make them feel special. You know, the whole our concerns about, if we go to a different school, are our children going to cope? Well, they've got this lovely transition period when they've got people who are entirely dedicated to making them feel both welcome and giving them the support which they need, which they're going to need once they do start going to their new school.
Well, I think firstly, she's really enjoyed learning Welsh. And it's really boosted her confidence and self-esteem, particularly now she's back in school. It's also allowed her to fully engage with her teachers and with her peers, and also to make sure that she can access the curriculum fully. Oh, it was absolutely excellent. It was easy. They helped us with every stage. We were worried that she'd miss out with her friends at school, but she was here in the mornings, and they made sure that on Friday she had some time with her friends at school, so that was no issue at all. She also made lovely new friends at the Language Centre, which she still keeps in touch with now. And from going to the Language Centre, hardly being able to speak a sentence in Welsh, she came out being able to speak sentences fluently, and we were astounded about how much she actually learned in such a short space of time. Very proud.
You know, we were worried that we were potentially going to be dumping them in right at the deep end, and they wouldn't understand anything.
I'm worried that we didn't speak it, so that we wouldn't be able to help them at home.
Yeah.
So that was a worry. But they got huge amounts of support from the school. And I think one of the teachers, the head teacher, told us that she thought it was like her daughter learning the piano, and she herself didn't play the piano, but that she could still encourage her daughter in her playing, and we felt that made sense to us, that we could encourage them to learn Welsh even if we weren't able to speak it ourselves.
Yeah, and I don't think, I mean, none of the worries that we had proved to be valid. That was the nice thing. You know, yes, of course you're worried about uprooting your children and saying, yes, you're going to have to learn your basic studies in a different language, but the amount of care and support that they got from everyone around them, both in the education system and just here in the town, meant that it just wasn't anything like we needed to be concerned about.
Within 6 months they were a lot more confident, and by the time they'd been learning for a year they were fluent.
Yeah.
We knew very little about the Welsh language when we moved, but we were really keen to learn. I was worried that with learning a second language, perhaps the other curriculum subjects, she might lose those slightly, but with the support from school and with going with the Language Centre, we've had no worries at all. She's doing really well.
For that was a big step, because he was studying in India before, and if you see, like, you know, in India, the first language spoken in the school is English, and then Hindi, and then at home he speaks Gujarati. So it was quite a few languages he was already speaking, but then when moving here, when we found that, like, you know, here the people speak Welsh language, and for him to learn a new language was a big step. After a week, I was not believing that the teachers in the school and everybody was saying that did really well with the language, and then he learned really quickly. And then I thought, like, you know, it was a good decision. It was a great help and support from the school and from the Byw school as well, because it was one-to-one language learning skill he did, and he is, like, you know, now fluent in Welsh, reading, writing and speaking. I can't believe that.
Mae wedi bod lot o cyfleoedd allgyrsiol, byddwn ni ddim wedi gallu gwneud heb yr iaith Gymraeg. A fi'n credu mae siarad Cymraeg hefyd wedi bod yn helpgar iawn o ran wneud ffrindiau, o ran cyfathrebiau pobl arall. Mae rhai o'n ffrindiau cyntaf fi wedi wneud trwy yr iaith Gymraeg. Dyna'r iaith o'n i'n siarad yn yr maes chwarae. Dyna beth o'n i'n neud.
Fi'n dwlu'r Eisteddfod, fi'n dwlu'r Eisteddfod ysgol, Eisteddfod urdd. Fi'n cofio gwneud y cystadleuaeth adrodd i ddysgwyr yn Gymraeg yn ysgol fach, a o'n i'n dwlu hynna. Llynedd nes i ymuno â tîm siarad cyhoeddus. Oedd hwnna'n cyfle anhygoel. Oeddwn ni
bendant wedi gallu gwneud heb yr iaith Gymraeg. Oedd e'n cystadleuaeth mawr, oedd lot o ysgolion arall yna. A oedd yr holl beth yn Gymraeg. Oedd e'n ffantastig.
We moved to Wales to make it our home. Therefore, we thought it was really important for the children to be immersed in their local culture and the language. And we knew that by supporting the Welsh language, it would give our children opportunities to enjoy local culture and to really thrive within the community, and also to understand local traditions as well. Her language journey has just been so exciting. From, as I say, starting school with no Welsh at all to then being able to perform in front of loads of people in Welsh with no stumbles.
For that to learn Welsh language, and for us also to know the new language as well. I find it the community from here supported him and us very well. They welcome us their family. So we didn't even know the next door neighbor in London. He started competing in Stradford. So in 2023 he started with reciting, and he did come third in that stage. And we thought, me and my husband, we never thought he'll be competing straight away from a different language to the main Welsh curriculum language. He will be competing in that. But when he came third, we didn't believe that.
Rydw i chwarae pêl-drod trwy Garon Turfs, ond mae coach ddiwethaf yn siarad Cymraeg, a mae'n hapus achos dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Mae fel, good boy, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg.